Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the system's state, no mass, velocity, and where forces act. Once done, isolate energy, shut off motors, unplug controllers, and release stored springs. Make sure to communicate with any team members before touching components. Then apply a controlled restraint. Place mechanical stops or clamps on the path, not on delicate linkages. This first actionable step prevents further acceleration while you prepare the controlled dissipation measures required next. Now implement controlled deceleration. Choose braking that matches energy to be dissipated. For electrical drives, engage dynamic braking or regen. For mechanical systems, use viscous dampers or adjustable calipers to spread heat. Apply friction progressively so you don't lock wheels or seize bearings. While slowing, monitor torque, temperature, and displacement. Make incremental adjustments if heating or chatter appears. Because abrupt stops transfer shocks, decelerate in stages to protect structure and preserve controlled alignment. Finish by securing the object. Install secondary locks or pins and re-engage mechanical interlocks. Once locked, confirm zero motion for at least 10 to 30 seconds using sensors or a manual feel test. Make sure no creep occurs. Then de-energize damping systems if needed and document every action taken. If motion persists, circulate coolant, reduce load, and reapply progressive braking while inspecting for failed bearings or hidden drives. That troubleshooting tip: check for hidden energy sources.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.